Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of versatile cooking with the CARORI 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. We found this incredible appliance online, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The CARORI 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is not just any kitchen gadget, it's a multifunctional powerhouse aimed at simplifying your cooking experience. With a generous 6-quart capacity, this appliance is designed to replace several of your kitchen tools. Whether you're looking to pressure cook, steam, slow cook, saute, sterilize, bake, or keep your food warm, this cooker can do it all with ease. One of the standout features of this pressure cooker is its dual inner pots. You get a durable stainless steel pot, perfect for browning and high-heat cooking, and a non-stick ceramic pot that makes oil-free meals a breeze. This flexibility allows you to choose the right pot for the dish you're preparing, making it easier to get the results you want without the hassle of multiple pans. Navigating the CARORI pressure cooker is incredibly simple, thanks to its IMD touchscreen. This full-touch digital panel not only looks sleek but also offers intuitive controls with 12 preset cooking programs. From rice and soups to beans, poultry, and even cakes, you can access your desired settings with just a gentle press. Say goodbye to complicated knobs and buttons. This interface makes cooking accessible to everyone. One of the best features is its cooking speed. With 1000 watts of power, this electric pressure cooker can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, making it perfect for those busy days when time is of the essence. But if you prefer a more traditional approach, the slow cook mode allows you to simmer your food gently, resulting in rich flavors and tender textures. Safety is a top priority with the CARORI pressure cooker. It boasts over 16 safety features, including advanced pressure control, a secure lid locking mechanism, a steam release button, overheat protection, and anti-blockage vents. These features ensure that you can cook with confidence, knowing that your safety is prioritized with every meal you make. This appliance is suitable for a wide range of users, from busy families looking for quick meal solutions to health-conscious individuals wanting to prepare nutritious, oil-free dishes. It's also great for anyone who loves to experiment in the kitchen without cluttering their space with multiple gadgets. In practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day and whipping up a hearty chicken soup in under 30 minutes or preparing a delicious cake for a family gathering with minimal effort. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or cooking for a special occasion, the CARORI 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker has got you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.